Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Monday, January 31, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report, and we want to get right into what did we put out last night, okay? Here's our Sunday night, late night report. I think it was as of 9 p.m. on Sunday evening. We wanted to alert everyone to this. We had already previously alerted our monthly subscribers to this ascending triangle wave 4 in the futures. By the way, we added futures to our monthly subscription. I just did it a couple of weeks ago, enjoying it so much with so much success. Just keep doing it. Why not, right? Anyway, we wanted to alert everyone to this possibility, and the key was this high right here. I think I have it marked somewhere else, okay? But anyway, I think we wanted to point out that the top of the trend channel extending from A to C hits 4,500 at midnight last night and 4,515 at the close. Okay, so we're looking for a move between 4,500 and 4,515, and that was the key right there, that 44.26.25 high, which was that. Oh, I lost it there. My apologies. Well, I think I might have it here, okay? Let's see here. See if I can get it. I've got the result there. Okay. We'll get into all that later, okay? Let me get back into that report real quick. Okay, there's that late night report, and that's where the chart is up here, okay? So that was that level right there, and that was A, B, C, and I have an E right here for a possible 4. And then what did we get? We got the move up. There's that 44.46, which was the top of C. We got that move up, and it went right to our target. That high right there is 45.07 3/4, right in between 4,500 and 4,515. So that's what we were looking at for 4. Okay, we've got, this is the futures. We're not looking at a triangle here. We got the all-time high on the 4th. We got a 1 down in red, a 2 up in red, a 3 down. That was a near direct hit there. A 4 up, which was a direct hit, and also that one was a direct hit. By the way, we had that 4.9% rise in one day, followed by a 4.9% decline in one day, followed by a 4.8% rise in the same day, and we were all over that. I want to show you guys here, if I can, email I received from a monthly subscriber, Bertha M. Good morning, thank you. I bought puts in the futures, 42.50 to 43.10. I was down in the evening by like 5K. I went to bed stress-free knowing Dale said we're going to drop to 42.90, so I am good. Well, I woke up at 3:45 a.m. in Cali and sold off for 7K profit. I am so happy I am a member. Thank you, Bertha M. Okay, so speaking of members, this is our subscription service here. All right, you can see that's the monthly, and I added the futures in there at no extra charge, just decided to add it in our video on demand and our annual. And while I'm at it, I want to get you guys that disclaimer there. There's our awards and disclaimers. And also, I want to thank you guys for subscribing. Remember to hit the reminder bell, and don't forget the like button. And it looks like that. Okay, here we go. So that was Bertha. That was the she was happy. We get a lot of happy customers here lately. It's been a lot of fun, honestly. So let's go from the let me go look at those futures one more time, because I want to show you guys some other things. Okay, so we got a 1 down here, a 2 up here, 3 here on the 42.12.75, and there is that 4. Okay, direct hit right in there in between our targets. Okay, and there is the wave 1 low at 45.72.75. How about that? That's not actually that low. Let me look here. Let me get in the E-minis here. That is Yeah, 45. It's 45.72. Let me look. Get right there. 75. Yeah, there we go. Okay. 5 target is 41.25 down here. And the next multiple is a 2.618 at 38.88. Okay. That's what we're looking at in the futures. Let's get to the S&P cash. Okay. There's the high or orthodox high back in November on the 5th. And you can see we've got, excuse me, our expanding triangle pattern and then things playing out to 5 waves to the downside, okay? Within that move down from January 4th, we have a 1 down, a 2 up, and then it's expanding with a 1, 2, 3, and then this 4. This 4 here cannot go above that wave 1 low, which is 45.30, and it's just under it. Keep in mind, this is 3 degrees of trend. We have, well, I don't have them labeled here, but I do on the pick. But if this is broken, the bear count is not broken. It's just at the smallest degree of trend. There's 2 higher degrees of trend that remain intact even if the market goes above 45.30. I got into that with the monthly subscription people with the update and the annual, which we had. Our February monthly went out earlier today. That's why I'm so busy. But anyway, there was that low on 124. Just about hit the trend line, but didn't. As you know, I'm expecting this to hit it. If not, go to a throw under. We'll see how that plays out. Okay, there's our next multiple at 41.22. And we're down there at 40.33 and 40.28. That's if this extrapolates out to our turn dates on February 18 and 22. That's a holiday weekend. Another one of those. Friday, I believe, is the 18th, and then Monday is a holiday, and Tuesday is the 22nd. We'll see how that plays out. Like last time, we'll take wave structure and price over time, and if time wants to marry with price, we'll take it. But we'll always look at the wave structure as the Elliott wave structure first, and that's what we're looking at here. Okay, let me get into that pick of the, I'll get to that alternate. Here, this ties right in with those turn dates there, okay? You can see while the orthodox high was November 5, the market's spinning off of the November 22nd high, okay? So we got turn dates here. We hit a low, we hit a low, we hit a low. We hit a high, then we hit a low right on there on the 24th. The next turn date again is right there on that Saturday, the 19th. We got Friday, the 18th of February, and the next trading day is the 22nd. Since the actual turn date is on a Saturday, if it's going to turn on a date, it'll probably do the turn as close as it can, which is 1 day before, okay? There's our make or break for that 4. There's that wave 1 low at 45.30. Again, now you can see the 3 degrees of trend. We have a 1 here and a 1 here, and we go all the way back here. I wanted to get into this this 1-4. I'm going to get into the top alternate count because, as you know, these things are 3 waves, 3 waves, 3 waves, and then bam, all of a sudden we got an obvious 5-wave pattern. There's a good chance that January 4th is not just that high, but the high, the all-time high, the orthodox high. Let me get into that if I can find that alternate count for you guys. And here it is on let me see if I got that again. Did I just wipe that out? Let's see here. Bear with me. Where is that? All right, I'll go pull it up over here off. I think I mistakenly knocked it down. There we go. My apologies, guys. Okay, so this is a 10-minute chart. There is the all-time high. There's 5 waves down for 1. There's a correction up on 2, and this is breaking down 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, that's sitting right up there. And I've been noting this for weeks, if not months. These 4th waves are buttoned right up to the 1st wave lows. And it's a great entry because you know exactly where you're wrong. And you have that much room to be wrong. So you get in, it goes up here, you're out. A very minimal loss with this potential gain. This has happened many times. It's a great thing. And like I said, even if this violates or negates that count, we have the larger degree of trend still in play. Okay, so that's the top alternate count, and the fact that this is descending in 5 waves and not doing 3 waves like the triangle, there's a really strong case for the January 4th to be the all-time high, and we'll look at that going forward. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. Let me see what else did I have for you guys. There's that top alternate count. I just missed it. There are the turn dates there. We could look at the NASDAQ, and well, I got that 3 times. Yeah, I really. Okay, we're having too much fun today. Let's look at the NASDAQ. We haven't looked at the NASDAQ in a while. Okay, on the NASDAQ, we've got the. It's a lot of information on here. All-time high back on it. See, there's 1122, and that's where the S&P is spinning on the Fibonacci turn dates from 1122. So there's something there. All right, there's the wave 1 low. There's the wave 2 high. It was an expanded flat. A up, B down below the start of A. See it there? And then C up beyond the high of A. Okay, and then we've got a 1, 2, and then again a 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are again with this 4th wave. Okay, and there's the wave 1 low, and what is that? 14,331. And what is this high? Give it to me here. 14,242. Okay, so this 4 cannot go above that 1. It looks like it is on the numbers, but it's not. Okay, I'll draw the line right there. There's the dotted line, and it's there. Okay, 3 gains at 2.618 at 12,549. Don't pay attention to these numbers. I just threw them there to get them out of the way. But you can see we've got a 3 of 3 of 3. Okay, and these third waves always have a little gap in them, if you will. But there's 1, there's 2, and you can see there's where it gained equality. There's where it gained a 1618 right there at that line, which is right at that 13,124 low. And there's the ABC up for 4. Let's do this live here. Let's do an extension just to see if I can get that pretty close. That's probably going to go above. Let's see. Well, no, it didn't. No, it didn't. There you are, right there. There's where C equals A right there. That's A up, B down, C. So maybe that'll hold. We'll see what tomorrow brings. This should be exciting, shouldn't it? We'll see if 5 down just collapses this thing on the NASDAQ. I believe I have a picture of that here somewhere. NASDAQ. There it is, and there we go. All right, there's all the things we just showed you. There's that 2.618 multiple at 12,549. There's that 3 right there, a perfect 1.618. If you look at these dark numbers here, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 1, 2, 3, and we have a perfect Fibonacci extension, and then we've got 4 up there, and actually I needed to draw that 1 and that 2 and that 3. It's hard to call this 3 as complete on a larger scale because of the 5 down, correction up, and 5 down. Okay, and this is 3 wave correction up. There's our make or break, that wave 1 low. Again, if 4 with a little line under it goes above that 1, it breaks that smallest degree of trend, but we still have this degree here and this degree here. Okay, we have this one here and this one here, and that's the third one, third degree of trend. So the bear market count is not broken. It's just the smallest degree of trend would be broken. That's the NASDAQ. Let's go with the E-mini futures. I really like how that's playing out. Okay, we're getting direct hits all over the place. We're getting reports out pre-market open, late night, post-market close, all that kind of stuff. So that's it for today. Until next time, take care, everyone.